these contestants because they, this is going to be them soon.
Well, you are the dream come true for all of them. Congratulations. Thanks.
Super Size League kicks off 7:30 tonight.